Welcome to again my YouTube channel, guys. How are you? I hope you're fine and good now. Be many of people asking me, please be making video again to be grab a try game about. So this is the more interesting game, and I guys you will be completely watching video. So today I will be show you how to be complete to be 1000 meters. How to will be you will be complete now because this is the new latest task. So guys, you will be understand now and completely watching my video because I will be helping to you be complete. You will be easily complete to be this game. They all everything be easily, not just I will be give you advice strategy I will be give you, and then you will be easily to be complete to be this task. So I hope you will be like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and sharing my video everywhere with your friends, Facebook, social media everywhere. So let's start this video. Okay guys, something I told to you because many of people sometimes not to be understand how to be complete to be these games. Oh my god, it's okay, no problem. Because step by step the games be more to be starting to be hardly, and this is the everything more easily, not to be anything hard because some of people not to be understand how to be complete to be these games. So guys, cross space is the more important options for you because many of people ignoring these options cross words, because if you have more quiz, so then you will be complete to be this game. If you have nothing, so you will be never be completed to be your game that matters. Let's go again on starts. Oh, it's okay, no problem. But guys, when you will be starting this game and you will be easily to complete to be first of all chasing now, then you will be starting your depth meters because this is the cross space is the more important option for you. Oh, that's okay, no problem. So guys, here we also to be one of the options to be available on this sections. X3 add the watch the video because many of people sometimes these options to be receiving now, sometimes people's not to be receiving. So guys, this is the everything to be easily, not to be anything hard. You will be the X3 add the watch the video, then you will be receiving triple screens and to be complete to be easily this game. So they all of everything easily, not to be anything else. First of all, you will be purchasing the cross spaces maximum to be 50 above, then you will be starting your game and buy to be your depth meters and to be easily complete to be this game meter depth. Oh, so guys, you will be checking now. I will be purchasing first of all my library cross spaces this time 26. So I want you will be complete first cross spaces 50 above, then you will be start your depth meters because cross spaces that's mean you will be earn more many queens and then you will be more earn queens and your depth you will be easily complete now because sometimes any of people not to be understand know how to be complete to be this game. So this is the original. So guys, you will be checking now. I am be again to be purchasing depth meters. You will be check now cross spaces. I will be purchasing now 28. So guys, this is the everything more easily now, not to be anything hard. You will be complete to be this task easily now. So I hope you will be understand now. First of all, cross spaces you will be purchasing now, then you will be starting your depth meters. Cross spaces maximum 50 above you will be purchasing, then you will be starting your game and then you will be easily complete to be your game depth meters. So I hope you will be understand now so what I asking to you. So thank you so much for you supporting me. Always will like and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm more helping to you. Okay, so thank you so much for you watching my video.